Hi, I'm recording this video just to see various components within Openstack. I hope you would enjoy this video. I'm making this as part of my notes. But these are very simple stuff I've been working on it from a long time, maybe 7 years, ever since the Openstack project has been in picture. So Openstack is comprised of various components that you can see here. Openstack user and then Openstack other services are there that is related to NFV. So as you can see, most of the services on Openstack are going on Kubernetes or can say containerized now. But as you can see, Openstack has one client by which you can manage all the services that are there within Openstack. And then OpenStack container service is there and NFV is there, which can be used. NFV Taker is one of the two, or Courier is one of the two, that is containerized just to manage OpenStack. Like it can enable OpenStack remotely. So other than that, there are operations. For operations purposes, monitoring tools, Ceilometer and Monasca, Panko, these all tools are in use. Ceilometer is very old and it has been there from a long time. Monasca was recently launched 1 or 2 years back. Then there are optimization and policy tools, Watcher, Witrage, Congress, and Rally. And billing and business logic, CloudKit is one of the analytics tools that, or you can say billing analytics tool that can be used. Multi-region tools, TriCircle. So you can span your operations throughout multi-regions. See, OpenStack has lifecycle management, and that is using lifecycle management means you can deploy, you can remove, you can upgrade, and then you can retire whatever component of OpenStack that is going out of service or out of maintenance or out of support, for example. Cola Ansible is for containerized Ansible deployment. OpenStack Chance, Triple O, Bifrost, Koyobe, then OpenStack Helm for containerized version, then Ansible, OpenStack Ceph. And packages are available in the form of RPMs, Puppet containers, Loki, Cola, etc. So these are main components that are there within OpenStack. As we have seen, various components that are surrounding OpenStack as part of management framework. As you can see, web interfacing is there, Horizon, and then API proxies are EC2 API. For API means you can use API access, so you can create your own web interfacing using EC2 APIs or whatever API, whatever the mechanism you want to use, you can use your own. So workload provisioning is happening through Magnum, Trove, and Sahara. Trove is database as a service, Magnum is containers, and then Sahara is for data processing. Then application lifecycle, Murano is packaged application services like in Beanstack in AWS. Freezer is to take backups and then take it to the next location, which can work as a DR. Solum and Massacre is highly available service that keeps all the services highly available. Then orchestration means you can create one template or you can create just customized information as a code service, and then you can deploy it using Heat, Mistral, Oath, Selman, then Jacker, Blazor. These are various other tools, but they are being used by various other services. Like Oath is used for Ceilometer and then Monasca for monitoring purposes. Jacker is for queuing, like that. Then compute is there. Virtual machines are managed by Nova. No matter which hypervisor you use, Nova would play the key role. All the Nova APIs handle all the virtual machine provisioning. Then containers are there, Zoom, Kinlin. Kinlin acts as a function as a service. Containers are mainly dealing with Zoom. Then Neutron is software-defined networking that can be replaced by various other services that includes Open Daylight and other Open Contrail, for example, or other Cisco ACI, for example, that can be used for software-defined networking. Load balancing is Octavia is actually a load balancer, highly available setup of virtual machines, or it is highly integrated with Neutron for load balancing purposes. There are various versions for this. There have been a lot of research going on this. DNS, you can say DNS as a service is designate. Whatever URLs you want to access it, designate can handle that. Or you can create your own zones and as a service. Then ironic is deployment of OpenStack services on top of hardware, bare metal. And then accelerators, cyborg, that is hardware lifecycle purposes. Object storage means whatever you can use it through web API or web interface, that is through Swift. Then Cinder is block storage, and Manila is NFS storage. We can call it file storage. Then Keystone is there for identity management, placement. These all are services that are being used by all other services. Keystone for authentication purposes, placement for control purposes of various things. Glance images, various virtual machine images or various other images are handled by Glance. Barbican, Searchlight, and Corvo. There are various other tools. These, apart from these as well, which are not listed, that are working as shared services. And this is it for now. Thanks for watching. I have enjoyed it. Thank you.